Hey guys, it's Mariah here, and today I'm going to be filming a video about reverting my hair back curly. Make sure to like, hit the subscribe button to show your love and support for my channel, and keep watching. Hey guys, so first I am starting out with my hair in this old ponytail, and so I'm just going to shake out the ponytail stiffness, and I'm just trying to show you what my hair is looking at right now. This is what it's looking like. It's very, very bad. This is some old straight hair that I am just like so done with. I'm ready for my curls to come back. So yeah, I first start with trying to the middle part, and then I'm going to brush from my ends up. Never start from the roots down, or else you're going to start ripping hair out. So yeah, you want to just take your time with this, and my hair wasn't really that tangled, so I just brushed through it very, very easily. So I'm just gonna keep brushing through my hair at this point, and I'm getting ready for it to be washed. Now, make sure you always detangle first before you go into the shower, because that is like terrible if you do the other way around. So it's just gonna get more tangled than it is. So yeah, this is how long it is. It's pretty long, but it doesn't really show that, especially because it's curling up at the roots. And I only straightened my hair on the lowest heat setting because I didn't want any heat damage. I didn't want to risk any coming off, like losing any hair. So yeah. Anyway, so I'm in the shower. I'm saying bye to my straight hair, and this is how I do it. I just rinse it out of my hair. I rinse all the whatever's in my hair, any products that could just like slip out, because I do have excess product on right now, and I'm trying to get it off. So yeah, I just rinse it out. Next, so this is what my hair is looking like. It's not brushed through yet either, so yeah. Now I'm taking a brush and I'm trying to brush the water all the way through my roots to my ends, and yeah, then I'm gonna start rinsing my hair officially now, and you can already see my curls have come back. My ends have always been a looser curl pattern than my roots, so I always make sure that just to say that, because sometimes people are like, oh, heat damage, and I'm like, oh, nope, not here. Next, I go in with my Nexus shampoo, and I like to use a sulfate shampoo because it gets rid of the all the buildup of dimethicone in your hair, because dimethicone silicone is a natural it's a natural heat protectant. So I always try to use dimethicone and like sulfates and dimethicone to get rid of all the debris on my hair. Anyways, this is pretty much all I do, and next I'm going to deep condition with the Aussie Mega Moist, which is my favorite, the avocado one. That one is amazing, and my brother used up all my old ones, so I had to go get new ones. And yeah, peep my abs though, they're popping right now. Anyways, yeah, so I go in with this and I put it through the 4 sections in my hair. I put my hair in a bun, and then I'm pretty much done. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Make sure to subscribe, hit that like button, show your love and support for my channel. And other than that, just watch just this video and relax. Watch this video.
Subscribe.
Just relax. And yeah, watch the
Follow and share.
video. Follow and share. Post notifications if you can.
Down below. Bell.
Down below. Hit the bell. Bye.
Share.